Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Keychron K3V2, a low profile wireless mechanical keyboard. Now this is by no means a brand new device because the K3 has been around for quite some time now, but they did just come out with the white version not too long ago. I saw it recently and I was like, I have to have that. I just thought it looked so good. It's very reminiscent of Apple's Magic Keyboard as well as Logitech's MX keys. So if you're into that low profile minimalist 75% chiclet keyboard, you're gonna love this, because if you want to be a little more adventurous with your setup, the Keychron K3 is the way to go. So yeah, with that being said, let's unbox this thing. A tactile mechanical keyboard for peak productivity. So your procrastination or your desire to procrastinate will automatically melt away once you have this keyboard. Okay, if you are a Windows user, please find the appropriate keycaps in the box. So this will automatically come with Mac keys, which I think is great. That's what I love about Keychron. It's just that they're so well integrated into Mac OS, and that's very rare to see in mechanical keyboards because most of them are made for Windows. So yeah, I love that. Let's take this out. Got a little bit of weight to it, but not bad. And there she is. Nice all white keyboard. This is a 75% keyboard, so you have all those function keys and you have like page up, page down, home, end, which is a perfect size for the person who wants to keep their desk very minimal but also still wants appropriate function keys. I think this looks really good. It looks very premium and the feel is pretty good as well. I saw some reviews of the K3 version 1 saying that like people said it was flimsy. I don't think that's the case here with the second version. But anyway, let's see what else we get in the box. You get a USB-C, a cable that's also white and is braided. So you get the Windows keycaps and you get an extra escape key that's white, which I think is great because this has an orange escape key, which is kind of trademark to Keychron, but I would rather have an all white design. So we're probably gonna be taking this out. Okay, you have something to pull the keys out. So yeah, that's nice. Have some Keychron branding over there. So yeah, nothing else in the box except for documentation. Let's take out this keycap. If you like a little pop of orange on your keyboard, then that's fine. That wasn't hard to take out at all, which was nice. And just put that on. So you can get this keyboard with 3 switch options. You can get them in Gateron, red, blue, or brown switches. Now this isn't my first Keychron keyboard. I had the K2V2, which is their more traditional size keyboard, so it's a little thick. I got them with brown switches, which I thought were good. They were very clicky. That sounds good. These are linear switches. These are the red ones. Okay, let's talk about the keyboard itself. This is a 75% keyboard. Again, you get a full row of function keys, which are fully integrated with Mac, which again, fantastic. You don't have to program anything. Immediately, it will just start working with the functions of your Mac. Adjust your brightness, volume, all that good stuff. On the top of the keyboard, you get your USB-C port to charge it or connect it via the cord that comes with it. You have a little switch to switch between Windows and Android, and of course Mac and iOS, and a switch to switch between cable or Bluetooth mode. On the back, it is an aluminum plate, which feels nice, and you get little stands if you want to adjust the angle of your keyboard. Again, always nice to have. I usually use these a lot actually. So yeah, Usually you can get this in a hot swappable version, and basically that means you can pull out the switches like I did with the keycap. You can pull out the switches and swap them out. Now, personally, I think if you're somebody who's into chiclet keyboards and all that, I don't think you would be super into the whole switching out the switches just yet. So yeah, you have that option if you want, but personally, this one isn't hot swappable. This also isn't a backlit keyboard, which honestly, it's a little unfortunate, but I think that's the case for the white version. So yeah, let's try connecting it to a device. I'm gonna hit that Bluetooth switch. You get a red light. Let's hold FN1 to start pairing. Okay, it immediately shows up. I'm gonna press connect and we are connected. Pair this up with an MX Anywhere 3 white mouse and your setup is gonna look so good. I'm very, very excited for that. But for now, let's do a typing test just to see what the typing experience, the key travel is like right off the bat. Okay, so I just finished the test with 75 words per minute with 97% accuracy. The thing that just kept getting me was the comma. You know, I'm just probably not used to the placement compared to my MacBook Pro 14. But overall, travel was really good. Typing experience was very easy to get used to immediately. So yeah. You can get this on Keychron's website for about $60, but it is important to note that you have to pay $20 shipping no matter where you are in the world. So let's say about $80. So you have an $80 low profile mechanical 75% keyboard. I think that's really, really good for what you get. The build quality, the keys, the switches. I don't know, it's just a really good sounding keyboard, good feeling keyboard. So that is pretty much that for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment down below and I will try my best to answer. So yeah, like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.